While others are stuck at their desks, my business runs itself. While others chase leads, I'm choosing how to spend my morning. My content works while I live my life.
While my content works for me, I'm already living my next chapter.
While my content works for me, I'm free to work on what matters. While my content works for me, I'm living the moments that matter. I used to spend 12 hours a day chasing clients. Now my systems do the work while I live my life.
While content works for me, I'm living my life.